students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first rule that we will learn is divisibility rule for 2. If the last digit of the number are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if any of these digit comes as the last digit of the number, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. For example, 48, as the last digit of the number is 8, so we can say 48 is divisible by 2. Let's take another number, 36. As you can see, the last digit of the number is 6, so we can say 36 is divisible by 2. I repeat, if you want to check divisibility of any number by 2, check its last digit. If the last digit is 2, 0 or 4 or 6 or 8, you can say that that number is divisible by 2. Let's proceed to the divisibility rule for 3. Now if you want to check divisibility rule of any number by 3, sum its digits and check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. For example, if we take the number 36 and sum its both digits, 3 plus 6, that comes as 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3, it means 36 is divisible by 3. Let's take another number. For example, we have 48. Now sum its digits, 4 plus 8, that comes as 12, and 12 is clearly divisible by 3. So we can say, students, that 48 is also divisible by 3. Now rule number 3 is, let me write, divisibility rule for 4. If you want to check divisibility of any number by 4, you have to check the last 2 digits of that number. For example, if we take 136, let's take 136. Now the last 2 digits are 36, and check whether last 2 digits of the numbers are divisible by 4 or not. Now 36 is divisible by 4, that comes as 9. It means 136 is divisible by 4. Let's take another example. For example, we do have 536, 3-digit number 536, and instead we take let us take a different number. For example, 518. Now check last 2 digits. Last 2 digits of this number are 18, and 18 is not divisible by 4. So we can say 518 is not divisible by 4. Let's take another example. For example, we do have 326. 326. Okay. Now check for the last 2 digits, and these are 26. 26 is not divisible by 4. It means 326 is not divisible by 4. Let's take another example. 516. Now check for the last 2 digits, that are 16, and 16 is clearly divisible by 4. So we can say 516 is divisible by 4. I hope you understand this point. Let us proceed to the last rule, that is divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for 5. This is very simple. If the number ends at 0 or 5, it means if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, you can say that this number is divisible by 5. I repeat, if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, you can say this number is divisible by 5. For example, if you have 530, as the last digit is 0, so this is divisible by 5. Let's take 525. As the last digit is 5, so we can say 525 is divisible by 5. I hope you understand all these points. In next video, we will do divisibility rule for the remaining numbers, that are 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.